Hello everyone, this is Khushbu and I am here to teach you a subject that is Business Communication Part 2. Today we are going to start with our module number 1, that is presentation. It is a very short module, only one chapter is there in it. Overall, very easy topic, very easy chapter. We are going to complete it very fast and we shall start now. So, our first topic is meaning of presentation. Now, what do you mean by presentation? It is a way of exchanging your ideas, your view, your opinion, your information with the use of computer technology, which is widely used today. It is a new survival in the workplace nowadays. Without presentation कुछ नहीं हो सकता. आज के टाइम पे presentation के साथ ही business चलता है, ठीक है? Again, also we use different graphs or charts or slides etc. to make your presentation more effective so that आपका जो भी presentation है वो काफ़ी positive feedback दिखाए among the audience. So this was the meaning of presentation. Now our second topic is the principles of effective presentation. This topic is very important from the exam point of view. Now, any effective presentation has 3 important considerations. It means किसी भी presentation में 3 बातें हमेशा होनी चाहिए. The first is the content, the second is the structure and the third is human element. ये तीनों चीज़ 100% होनी चाहिए. Now we will discuss each one of these topics. The first is the content. Now, it consists of the subject matter which you are going to give in your presentation. What do you mean by subject matter? What do you mean by subject matter? Subject matter means जो आपका topic है on which you are going to give your presentation, that is the subject matter, that is the first point, content. ठीक है? For example, if you are giving a presentation on literacy of India, so the literacy of India, this is the content of your presentation which must be wisely used. Okay, again also your subject must be authentic and realistic. Your presentation, your content must be interesting. It should not be boring. It should be relevant. कुछ useful topic होना चाहिए, ऐसे ही नहीं होना चाहिए. It must be free from errors and it should not be outdated. It must be supported with a lot of examples. So this was the content. The second comes the structure. Now, it consists of the delivery of the presentation. Now, whatever you give in your presentation, the delivery, what you say in your presentation, that is the structure of your presentation. It comprises of the opening, closing and the body of the presentation. What you deliver in your presentation is very important. Otherwise, if it is not if you do not give the topic very well, if you do not deliver the topic very well, then it doesn't sound any good. ठीक है? Now you will start. Now say for example, if I say the topic is effect of coronavirus worldwide. So in this topic the content is effect of coronavirus worldwide. Now what you will say in this effect of coronavirus, it is basically most of the people, lakhs of people are affected by these. Number of people were died because of these, number of people survived. So all these figures, fact and figures which you deliver in your presentation, this is the structure of your presentation. Now it must be in line with the presentation. It must be in line with the purpose of the presentation. You should not go out of the topic of your presentation. It must have a variety of information. It must be in sequential order. it must have the solution. If you are giving any problem in that particular, if you are explaining any problem, then you must also provide with the solution. Say for example, if you are giving the problem of coronavirus, so what can be the solution of this particular pandemic? So this must also be stated in your presentation. This is the second topic, that is the structure of your presentation. Third comes the human element. Now, a good presentation will be remembered by the speaker who is attached to it. So it includes the voice, the body language, the confidence, the listening skills of the speaker. See, presentation में सिर्फ टॉपिक और कंटेंट ही नहीं होता, कहीं ना कहीं स्पीकर कैसे बोल रहा है, आई कॉन्टैक्ट है या नहीं, कॉन्फिडेंस है या नहीं, तो बेसिकली ये सारी चीज़ें भी बहुत ज़्यादा इफेक्टिव बनाती है प्रेजेंटेशन को, विच इज़ द थर्ड एलिमेंट इन द इफेक्टिव प्रेजेंटेशन, दैट इज़ द ह्यूमन एलिमेंट. ठीक है, फिर उसके बाद द स्पीकर मस्ट हैव अ गुड पोस्चर, ही शुड स्टैंड इरेक्ट, ही मस्ट मेंटेन आई कॉन्टैक्ट, ही मस्ट have lively speaking style, he must have a decent gestures. ठीक है, he must have a well modulated voice. He must rehearse well whatever he wants to say. First of all, he must rehearse it well. He must allow all the time. He must allow time for the queries. If the audience asks any questions, he must patiently answer to all that queries. And he must have a good smile. Like me. ठीक है, good jokes apart, तो basically he must have a good smile. So all these elements, what I told you now, comes under the principles which are used in effective communication, in effective presentation, that is the content, structure and the human element. Now in the next video we will see some other topic of this module 1 presentation. Till then, bye bye, see you.